Hi everyone, welcome to Catalog Server on Cimatron 15 presentation. On this presentation, I'm going to talk about the following items. Catalog parts download and update. Go to catalog folder, configuration, notification, download assembly and parts, disable preview image, and download rules files. In Cimatron 15, we have a new option to display locally released only parts. Catalog parts, download and update. There's a new option, as I said, display locally released only. When this checkbox is on, this display only those catalog items uploaded by the local Cimatron provider or reseller. For example, if a provider or a reseller partially translated some of the catalogs, local users can see only those translated items. If you go now to Catalog Parts Download and Updates, there is a new option here, Display Locally Released Only. When this option is checked, the user may see only translated a catalog parts that were released by the local provider. Go to Catalog folder. This button opens Windows browser on the Define Catalog folder. This is a shortcut link to the Define Catalog folder. It saves time to go each time searching where the catalog is and directly open the link of your main catalog folder. So if I click this button, it opens the link where all my catalogs are located. Configuration notification. We now in Cimatron 15 notify also on configuration updates, not just on parts. In addition to new catalog items, if we have also a configurations, then we will see also a configuration notification in this dialog. Download assembly and parts. There's a new option, display assembly only. When this checkbox is on, only assemblies are displayed. If a single assembly row is selected, then the assembly mode related parts button becomes available. And if now I check assembly mode related parts, then this is a toggle option, displays when a catalog assembly row is selected. When the option is checked, only the selected assembly and its related component are displayed. The display locally released only checkbox is turned off and grayed out. All the filters are grayed out. The assembly mode related parts button toggle to exit assembly mode. So let's see how it works. If I go now, for example, to Messburger catalog, let's open the catalog. As you will see, we have both parts and assemblies in the list. Okay. Now if I check display assembly only, then it filters the list and we see only the assembly parts. If I now select a row, then the option assembly mode related parts will be available. Click a row. Now you see that assembly mode related parts is available. And now if I check this option, if I click this option, then it shows me the selected assembly and its related parts. Of course, I can exit assembly mode and go back to the assemblies. If I uncheck, then I go back to the main list that shows both assemblies and parts. Okay, assembly mode, related parts. And if I check it, I see just the assembly or mechanism assembly with its related parts, and the option is toggle to exit assembly mode. Display preview image. We now added a new option to uncheck the preview image. Right now, when I hover the pictures, I don't see the image. Right mouse button on the main bar here and select customize columns, I can check back the preview image. And now when I hover the pictures, I will see the preview image right here. See that it stays on the screen, and if you want to cancel it, you have to cancel. But we added the option to cancel the preview image, and now when I close this image, I will not see it anymore when I hover the different parts. Unless, again, go to Customize Columns and ask to see the preview image. Download rules files. We have a new option to download catalog rules files. We could not do it in the previous version, now it's available. And whenever we have rules files for the specific assembly, then it is possible to download it, and the file add rules has been downloaded to the specific catalog folders, and we can use it for this catalog. So for each catalog that the option is available, then you will be able to click it and to download the rules files. Thank you.